Hi guys, in this video we're gonna have a quick room tour and then we're gonna talk about the price a little bit and then we are heading out with a scenic boat drive to Pakbia Island. I hope you enjoy the videos, give thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Initially we booked the deluxe studio with Plunge Pool, including free one-time Koh Pakbia trip and yoga class per stay included. However, on a special request message, we asked the hotel for the best room and the best view possible. At the check-in, we found out that we got upgraded. On a side note, to be honest, at first I was not so happy with it because there was a reason why we booked this other room and not the villa. Don't get me wrong, it's perfectly fine, it was awesome, it was outstanding and it is outstanding. But the reason we booked the other room was that we saw the pictures and immediately fell in love with the view from there. Anyways, to cut the long story short, it didn't take very long to realize the advantage of the beachfront villa. It was so much more convenient and everything was easier to access instead of walking all the time up to the hill. Yeah, so what about the price? We paid around 100 euro a night. And this is because, of course, the corona situation, and also there are various stimulus from the Thai government to make a price like this possible.